Okay, so I've now tried out all the voice assistants. I had Google Home first and didn't really like the sound of Google Home. I then bought an Amazon Echo Dot, which I've been using in my kitchen through this JBL speaker, which as a combination, very cheap. I paid £35 for this, and these speakers can be got for about £8 to £10. It's a really good sounding combination, but nowhere near as good as the HomePod. But obviously a lot of people have been complaining about HomePod only supporting Apple Music with voice control. So I thought I'd try and get it to work with an Amazon Echo Dot through the HomePod, and this is how you do it. So you plug in through a 3.5mm jack into your Mac. This program is available for Windows as well, although I haven't tried it. But use a program called Airfoil, and this is how it works. Alexa, play playlist Best Lake Street.
Your playlist, Best Lake Street Dive.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play BBC Radio 1.
Here's Radio 1.
The BBC.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Currently, in Westacott it's 8 degrees with cloudy skies.
Alexa, stop.
Today, you can expect showers with...
Alexa, play a rap playlist.
The playlist, Classic Hip Hop House Party, from Amazon Music.
Alexa, skip. Alexa, stop. Okay, so you can see that works through, so it's a way of getting Amazon Alexa services through a HomePod. Admittedly, you have to do it via a Mac, but it's a way of doing it, and because HomePod isn't so great for playing radio stations at the moment as well, whereas Amazon Alexa is great at that. So hope this helps, and thanks very much for watching.